Renting or buying a home in the USA? Which one is actually better? The truth is, the answer depends on your goals, your money, and your lifestyle. In this video, we'll break down the real differences so you can decide what's right for you. Renting. The pros. Let's start with renting. Renting in the USA gives you flexibility. If you move often for work or you're unsure where you want to live long-term, renting keeps you free. You don't worry about property taxes, repairs, or sudden expenses. If the fridge breaks, the landlord fixes it. If you want to move next year, you simply end your lease. Renting also helps people with limited savings because you don't need a huge down payment. Renting. The cons, but renting has downsides. First, your monthly rent does not build equity. You're paying someone else's mortgage. Second, rent prices can increase every year depending on where you live. And third, you don't control the property. You can't remodel, repaint, or make major changes. Buying. The pros. Now, let's talk about buying. When you buy a home, every mortgage payment builds equity, meaning you're slowly owning more of the house. Long-term, this becomes a big financial advantage. Homeowners also get stability. Your mortgage stays the same if you have a fixed rate, unlike rent, which keeps rising. Plus, owning a home gives you freedom to customize, renovate, and increase the home's value over time. Buying. The cons, but buying isn't always easy. You need a strong credit score, steady income, and usually a down payment of 3% to 20%. You're also responsible for repairs, maintenance, insurance, and property taxes. And if you want to move quickly, selling a home can take time. So buying is better for people who plan to stay in one place for at least 3 to 5 years. So, which is better? So, which option is actually better? Renting is better for those who want flexibility, low responsibility, and more mobility. Buying is better for those who want long-term stability, financial growth, and a place that truly belongs to them. Conclusion. At the end of the day, the best choice is the one that fits your financial reality and your lifestyle. Renting isn't throwing money away, and buying isn't always the smarter move. It depends on your goals.